Hello, curious friends. Have you ever wondered why rain is one of nature's greatest gifts? Come along, let's discover something amazing. Rain is like a giant watering can for our planet. It gives plants, trees, and flowers the water they need to grow. Without rain, forests would dry up, gardens wouldn't bloom, and many animals would have trouble finding food. Rain fills rivers, lakes, and ponds, so animals have fresh water to drink. It helps every living thing. And when the rain is over, we sometimes get one of nature's most beautiful surprises: a rainbow. Curious? You're in the right place. 101 things I bet you didn't know. That's one.